Yeah, maybe couple of words about myself. So yeah, I'm actually leading marketing and Datalore. So also all of this stuff, can find on LinkedIn. So yeah, but I guess actually the most maybe important thing here is to talk about maybe to warm up a bit. So maybe who of you already attended some meetups here at JetBrains? Maybe raise your hands. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. Not so many. And who of you JetBrains employees? Yeah. Okay, thank you. So yeah, actually, you know, mm, I initially I wanted to pitch you some kind of sales pitch about Datalore, like it's simply like the best tool for data analysis, but organizers unfortunately asked us to to make something more technical talk, because yes, they said we want to keep up our community vibe. So that's why I thought that's okay. I should shorten my plan. So yeah, that's why maybe this yeah, just a gift codes what the marketing person I can do for you. So where's your phone? So that's really a gift code. So if you I don't know if you're going to follow. Please use it only once per account. So well, 5 luckies, one can use this. So yeah, so 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you. And no, sorry, I'm just kidding. Yeah, sorry. I forgot that I also have some, additional gifts at the end of my presentation. So I should, talk a bit more. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind. And also I have something from guys from other products. So yeah, let's talk maybe a bit about what kind of data products we have in JetBrains. And may I ask you about what maybe some of you know, and yeah, that will be some gifts for you for this. So our like main Python ID, PyCharm. Who was the first? Okay, please come in later for your 100 discount code for 1 year for PyCharm Professional. That's yours. And yeah, that's yours. Okay, thank you. PyCharm, yeah. Okay, so next one. Also, very famous product, kind of IDE for databases. What? So who's the first? Sorry. Yeah, it was the first. Data Grip. Yes, actually, yes, that's true. I don't have a sorry for Data Grip gift code. So yes, that's yours again for PyCharm. That's so yes, you also very welcome to take your prize. I don't know now or later. Yes, congratulations. Okay, the last one. Um, It's also IDE. That's not the simplest question. That's also IDE, but for data analysis.
Data spell.
Yes, right. And again, your gift from PyCharm. Congratulations. That's data spell. Yeah. And of course, Datalore. So, who have you heard before about Datalore? Yeah, you, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we forgot about Cadence. Sorry, they just are about to launch. So yeah, that's it. Yes, data lore. You said data lore, but be honest, yeah, no, not everybody. So okay, yeah. Let me give you a couple of words about this. So yeah, actually, Datalore, this is not an IDE. This is a SaaS platform. It could be on premises and it could be cloud. So managed cloud, managed by JetBrains and also managed by our customer. Yeah, and it's based on Jupyter notebooks actually, and created specifically for teams because, yeah, while we are created Datalore, we thought about teams first. So everything about team management, team resources management, about collaboration with the notebooks, and also I think, and we also, I guess you also agree that the possibility to share your insights is a crucial thing, because like it's not only about data analysis and about just to be right and just to be, you know, to understand something, but also about to make some impact for your stakeholders, for your decision makers. And actually this is crucial thing for anybody who's working with data nowadays. So making impact inside your team, inside your company is very important. So that's why we are focused on data storytelling as a way of making impact as a data like related professional. Yeah, so maybe that's like just dull slide. So maybe I can show you how it works in real life, and we see how we can create maybe report and see some of the key features of the interface. And you can ask me also some questions, but also keep in mind, so I'm not a technical guy, I just can give you one more gift code. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, you can see. So, what kind of interesting reports I can tell you about? Yeah, maybe I think we could talk about data science job trends. I think that's a quite relative thing to everyone, because yeah. So that's actually like everybody knows about Jupyter notebooks, right? So this is very familiar interface for everyone who is working in IDEs or Jupyter notebooks. So I don't want to cover some of these things. That's pretty easy. One thing I want to emphasize for you, that's working in Datalore. You can choose the type of machine you want to use for your um, different type of calculations. So here you can choose different types of machines. So yeah, it also depends on how deep your wallet actually. So you can use CPUs and GPUs and multiple GPUs. So yeah, feel free to use it. And also important thing, you can change this environment on the go. So you can start with one machine, can continue with different types of machine. If you see that you need something more for this. So yeah, that's I think pretty cool feature. So yeah, I have this notebook already prepared by some of our external contributors. And actually what we can do here is a build report. Um, so I guess I should reload it because I loaded before. Yeah. So we just making this. Yeah, that's pretty simple thing because yeah, we could actually start. You see, that's already cells that already been marked here, and we could just like turn it off. Yeah, and it disappeared, and again appeared. That's pretty simple. Important thing here is that we could put and organize all of our data inside different tabs. So actually we could put something here, we could put something here, right, and organize it in a different way. Yeah, and ask to arrange, just finally to make it easier. Yeah, and so because we have different columns, so yeah, it could be organized and you could put something in the back. So yeah, we have something prepared, and you see that's it's easy, it's just cells and how they will be here inside the report and job data trends. So yeah, and we just publish this report online. We can make it public access, public and available for everyone. Yeah, that's actually a static report. So it's a pretty simple type of report, and we publish it and open it online. Yeah, and that's it. So we already have some report and the story based on it together, you see, that's actually pretty simple. So basically, that's a very, very easy way of creating your story, and you combine it with the different pictures, with different text, with different plots, and all of this could be also calculated by your stakeholders, because we could check, for example, something more complicated a bit. That's about our, let me show you, yeah. That's about assessment of portfolio in finance industry using Monte Carlo simulations. So yeah, we already have this prepared notebook. You see, it's also like already some of the prepared data here. So what we can do, we can, yeah, again, I need to reload it. Sorry, because I loaded before. So build a report. Yeah, and maybe we want to change the type of machine. So we go here, change machine. For example, let's see this one. Here, setting up environment. Yeah, that's it. Already we have 16 virtual CPUs in our machine and 32 gigabytes of RAM. Maybe, I don't know, but it's more than enough for such a report. So again, we are going to build report, selecting what we want to add. I think that's enough. We don't, yeah, we have some cells also here, but we don't want to show them, for example, to our stakeholders. So yeah, but that's also like possible to add something. But yes, keep it, just let it keep it simple. And also, again, different tabs. This feature is actually pretty new, so we even haven't announced it yet. So you can run it here right from the report builder, for example, if you want to play with something. But also you could, for example, publish it. It was already published. And this type of report is interactive. I can show you how it works. Yeah, let's update. Open this report. Yeah. So we have some description about this, and we could, for example, play with the different type of values. For example, let's imagine that our portfolio plus 1, 0, right? And maybe look back 15 years. Yeah. Starting to calculate. No? Maybe they want for me updating it. Yes. Important thing here that you could put something like data sources, and we could retrieve it, query it every time for the report, and then also you could connect already prepared data, so to make it everything much faster. So yeah, that's already, we have some evaluation of our portfolio. Yeah, I just want also to mention that we have a lot of such reports, for example, in our Datalore blog. So I can simply go there and check different types of report and play with yourself as a templates. Yeah, that's pretty simple. They are all available. That's also public for everyone. So yeah, and for example, we prepared something about like, can AI fix climate changes? That's also a report prepared by some of our contributors. And again, you could do it inside Datalore. That's pretty simple thing. So yeah, I think also want to mention one important feature that could be useful for all of these folks who are preparing storytelling is a schedule it runs. So you could schedule your notebook to run, for example, daily or on hourly basis. So your stakeholders will never need to recalculate it again because it's already scheduled. So you can run it, you know, it also depends on your calculations and your resources. So yeah, let's go back to our presentation. Let me check how many time I have. Yeah, good. So, what else I have for you here is a discount for. Let me open it like Datageeks. So yes, that's actually a real gift code for Datalore discount, 90%. So yeah, feel free to use it, but please hurry up. Yes, it's valid only until the end of this week. I mean, until Sunday, maybe. Yes. So yes, if you have question, I'm here for you. Answer